Step-by-step guide to English speaking. 1. Learn basic vocabulary. Start with simple words for everyday use. 2. Practice common phrases. Learn greetings, questions, and polite expressions. 3. Focus on pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and mimic their accent. 4. Build sentences. Practice forming sentences with subject, verb, and object. 5. Read aloud. Read simple texts to improve fluency and confidence. 6. Listen and repeat. Watch English videos or listen to audio, then repeat sentences. 7. Practice speaking. Talk to friends or join language groups. 8. Think in English. Train your mind to think in English, not translate. 9. Be consistent. Practice daily.